Hello all, in this video I will walk you through how to create a supported webhook URL within Microsoft Teams for use with Kibana's connectors and rules. We will start in Teams to create a webhook. Then we will set up a connector in Kibana, and finally we will modify an out-of-the-box rule to post a message to Teams. For the first step, we'll start in Microsoft Teams. You want to be inside of the Teams and the channels that you want to post in, and you want to make sure that the Teams is public. The first thing we're going to do is to go to Apps, and we're going to find the Workflows app. We're simply going to add it, and once it's done installing, we will open it. On the top right, we'll create a new flow, and we'll create flow from blank. First, we have to select a trigger. Let's look for Webhook, and we'll select the trigger when a Teams webhook request is received. It's important to set the who can trigger the flow to anyone. Here's where the URL will be created once we finish creating our workflow. Let's click on New Step to select an action. We'll click on the Microsoft Teams action and search for Post Message, and select the post message in a chat or channel. We'll post as Flowbot. We will post in and choose the channel. And we will choose the team and the channel that we want to post in. For the message, we will paste the following text. You can find this text in Freshdesk or in the link below. You can change the name of the workflow to Kibana rule. Click on Save. And once we're saved, you can copy the webhook URL by clicking on this icon. And there you have it. You've successfully created a workflow. For the next step, we'll use Kibana. Click on the menu icon, and we'll go down to Stack Management, and then we'll look for connectors. On the top right, we'll click on Create a Connector, and we'll select Microsoft Teams. Simply give the connector a name, and paste the URL that we created in the previous step. Here you can either save or save and test. Let's save and test. Now we can run a test by sending a message into Teams. Hello. We'll run the test. We'll head on over to Microsoft Teams, open our channel, and see that the message went through. Finally, we can go into rules. Bimbeats comes loaded with pre-made rules. Let's select Delete Grids. And on the top right, we can click on Edit. Section 1 includes the rule definition, and Section 2 includes the actions. Let's add an action, and scroll down and select the connector we created in the previous step. Next, let's copy the message from the predetermined email action and paste it into the Teams action. We can then click on Save Rule. Once saved, let's activate the rule. To test it out, let's go into Revit and delete some grids. So here I'm selecting a couple of grids. I'm going to delete them. And go back into Kibana. Note that this definition runs every 1 minute, so we have to let it sit for a little bit. If we hit refresh, we can see that the rule has been triggered. Let's go into Teams to ensure that the message went through. And there you have it. We have a message in Teams sent via workflows saying that grids were deleted in the file and includes the address of the file. If you have any questions regarding rules and connections in Kibana, feel free to post in our forum, link in the description below. Thank you.